How many numbers between 1 and 300 are divisible by 3 and 5 together? Now, the first number between 1 and 300, which is divisible by 3 and 5, is 15. Now, we can say that 15 into 1 is equal to 50. Now, the question asked is between 1 and 300. So, therefore, we cannot include 1 and we cannot include 300 as well. So, even if 15 into 20, we have 300, we cannot count it because the wording is between 1 and 300. So, therefore, we have to use the previous one, previous multiple, that is 15 into 90, that is 285. Okay. Now, we have to count this. So from 1 to 19. Okay. So how to do it? 19 minus 1 plus 1. So answer comes as 90. So option C. That's your answer.